So, click natin start.
Boom shakalaka! Los Angeles Lakers.
Oops. Uy, grabe naman yun. Lakas ni Kobe Bryant, no? So, tara. Sobrang ganda nito. Panglibang-libang lang talaga to, guys. You know, 2010 NBA properties, guys. Let's go. Grabe, oh. Halos lahat ng mga players nandito na rin kompleto, mga old school. Lalo sila Kobe Bryant nandito yan, guys. So, click natin start.
Boom shakalaka!
Yun, pili na tayo ng teams, guys. Let's go. Eto na po yan. Let's go. Grabe, sobrang solid nito, guys. Nvidia mo, okay?
It's the Miami Heat versus the LA Lakers.
Laban natin sila, Oops, natin ang bola. Nice one.
Fancy move.
Hey.
From inside the arc. Gets the roll.
Grabe naman yan, sir. Grabe naman. Oy! Lakas ni Gasol, oh. Diba? Hey, lakas ni Gasol. Kanasa.
Wade.
Uy!
Goaltending.
Goaltending. Ba't ka nag-goaltending, boy? Ba't ka nag-goaltending? Oops! Uy, grabe naman yun. Lakas ni Kobe Bryant, no? 2-on-2 lang to, guys. Pwede rin tong 3v3. Yun, oy. Tapal na naman. Oops! Tumalsik.
Shot clock.
Oops!
That's not the shot they wanted.
Bam!
Not this time.
Steal.
Dishes
Steal. Uy, grabe naman yung dakdak ngayon. So, kailangan natin makabawi. Lebron, na?
Makes the pass.
You know?
Nice dunk in traffic.
May ikot eh. Ito sa'yo.
Ryan.
Uy, grabe naman yun. Makasolid naman nun. Hey!
Push down.
Grabe ka.
Finds a man open.
Oh, ba? Ano kayo ngayon? All 8 na. Ano kayo ngayon? All 8 na. Uy, no? Uy, tapal yan. Nice one. Oops. Pasa.
Crossover.
Bam! Mga dakdak lahat, no?
With the fadeaway move.
Uy, sa atin ng bola. Nice one.
Just a minute left to go here in the first quarter.
Uy.
Kobe. Fire.
Uy.
Great defense.
Bawal yan sa akin, boy. Uy, grabe naman yun, sir.
LeBron's on his one.
Grabe na nanula ka.
Gasol's getting into a rhythm.
Okay, lamang sila.
To Wade.
Wow. So download nyo na to, guys. Nakakalibang talaga.
And the three-pointer is off the mark. Here's Gasol. Wade with great timing there, swats it away.
Uy.
Gasol for the deuce. Nothing doing there.
Uy.
With the rejection.
Sabay pa kayo.
Sounds, we're all tied up.
Okay, so hanggang dito na lang, guys. Nasa gantis po sa atin lahat natin.
That one breaks the slump.
Download nyo na to.